The video begins with an image of the drilling bucket used for board pile excavation under the foundation. The bucket is designed to cut and retain soil during rotary drilling operations. After the protective casing is installed, the Casagrande rotary drilling rig positions itself to begin the excavation inside the casing. Red bentonite slurry is introduced into the borehole to stabilize the sidewalls and support drilling in sandy soil conditions. The slurry prevents collapse and maintains borehole integrity. The drilling rig rotates the bucket inside the borehole. The bucket loosens and collects sand, drilling fluid, and cuttings as it advances downward. The operator raises the bucket to the surface and empties the excavated sand, slurry, and debris. This cycle ensures continuous removal of cuttings. The bucket re-enters the casing, and the drilling cycle is repeated. The rig continues rotary excavation until the target depth for the board pile is reached.